Hello guys, today we will take a look how to run a Waterfall node. First of all, you need to download Docker and install it. On macOS operational system, you need to set some setting, choose file sharing implementation for your containers, and use Rosetta. Okay, let's run commands. Let's go to our terminal, log into private registry. We've done it. After then, we are going to pull the image. Here is it. It takes some time. Let's wait. Okay, it's done. You have to be in your home directory. Run this command in your terminal. Also, I want to mention that all of the node's data is keeping in .wf8 directory. Logs, shard network data, and coordinator network data. Okay, let's run a node. Now we are going to check the status. And what we see here, the coordinator node is syncing. The distance field has to decrease. The finalize slot field is catching up current slot. Also, please check out coordinator peers. Here is 30 and validator peers are 16. So everything is okay. Let's wait. Periodically, we can check out the status of our node, check out the peers availability. As I said before, finalized slot is catching up current slot. The distance is decreasing, so everything is going well. Let's wait. The time has passed. Usually the time of synchronization depends on multiple factors, such as your hardware speed and your internet speed. Now I'm going to check the status of my node with the status command. It seems like my node is synchronized and everything is going well. I have peers on coordinator and on validator. So now I'm moving forward to add the Waterfall network to my MetaMask wallet. Here is it. We've checked that our node is running and synchronized. I have already installed a MetaMask wallet. You can do it by your own. I'm not covering this section in this guide. Okay, then. I'm copying network name. Go to this section, add network. Then scroll down to add a network manually. Here is it. It's network name. I'm copying it from here. So this field appears here. RPC URL. Done. Then chain ID. Okay, copy paste. Currency symbol, water. Okay, then. We have some warning and let's keep it for now. URL, okay. Done. And we can switch to Waterfall 8 test network. Okay, then. Now you have to create address in MetaMask if you don't have one already. Let's do it. Select account, add account or hardware wallet, add a new account. Let's call it Waterfall. Press create. Okay, then in MetaMask settings, advanced, don't forget to turn show hex data on. It's important. Now we are moving to a Faucet page. Let's top up our wallet. I'm copying my address, paste it here, and let's wait some time. Let's check it out. Okay, I've got 4,000 waters. Now I'm going to generate a new mnemonic phrase, guys. I'm copy this command. And I have to specify my withdrawal address. It's the address in MetaMask that I have already created. Enter. Okay, I have to save my mnemonic phrase. I want to save it in a Google document for now. And let's move forward. Also, guys, I want to mention that it's very important to save your mnemonic phrase. If you lost access to your keys, you would need a mnemonic phrase to restore uh, your workers. Also, you need a mnemonic phrase when you add a new worker or when you want to transfer your workers to another PC. So keep in mind that it's very important, so keep it in a safe place, please. Now when we have a mnemonic phrase, we can generate keys and add a new worker. We can use command point 7 for it. For a security purpose, we highly recommend to add withdrawal address to this command. Here is my mnemonic phrase, here is my withdrawal address. Let's execute it and wait a little bit. Okay, we have successfully added worker 1. Let's move forward. So guys, as you understood, you can add more workers with this command. And now let's activate our worker. You can use the data for transaction that you've got after executing new worker. So after executing this command, you've got this data. Or either you can use a special command for this purpose. It's a deposit sh command. We've got the data. Now let's switch to MetaMask Wallet. Send. And copy and paste the data for our transaction. Here is the address. The amount of water we can copy paste here. Hex data. We've got it. Here's it. Next. Confirm. Okay, let's wait a little bit. For now, let's check the status of our node and our worker. Our node is synchronized. It has peers, everything is going well. The coordinator status of our worker has changed to active ongoing. It means that our worker is earning water. I wanna notice that you can't withdraw the full amount of your stake. To do it, you need to follow the exit procedure. I will take a look at further in this guide. But for now, let's withdraw 1.51 water only. To do it, we have a command. We need to specify the worker number. It's 0 in our case, and amount of water that you wanna withdraw. Okay, then we've got the data for our transaction. I will send transaction from MetaMask using this data. Here is the address. Value of waters is 0. Data equals. Okay, then. And now let's wait a little bit. Withdrawal procedure takes some time. Time has passed. Let's check our balance. Great, we've got a rewards.